In general, we normally show you the political storms, but for the day, we are going to concentrate on the cyclonic storm Montha and its effects on several states, including Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Along with that, we have the updates from the states of Kerala, Telangana and Karnataka. And for today, I'm joined by my colleagues Apurva, Shibi, Anaga and Sagai Raj. First, you, Apurva, what is the situation in Andhra Pradesh?
Well, Pramod, thanks. In fact, Cyclone Montha is looking in rearing its head in full effect with the landfall expected to go on at 6 p.m. this evening. Kakinada Beach, where we currently are, definitely looks to be one of the important focal points of Cyclone Montha. And the winds lashing, the rains lashing just keeps continuing on, with the IMD predicting it's only going to get worse towards the evening.
Thank you, Apurva. In fact, even Tamil Nadu, the northern part, is definitely facing the kind of effects of Cyclone Montha. And to speak more on that, Anaga, what do you have for the day? From where are you reporting?
Well, in fact, Pramod, we're reporting from Chennai's Pondi Bazaar, which is in fact a bustling market. And in Chennai and the surrounding districts, we do have the side effects of Montha. There is Tiruvallur district, Virudhunagar district, Tiruvannamalai, Tirupattur, Kanchipuram. In all the surrounding districts of Chennai, there is cyclone Montha's side effects. Of course, the weather is very cloudy, it is drizzling. However, the eye of the storm is more centered in Andhra Pradesh. Apart from rain updates, we also have the special intensive revision, that is the SIR, that the Tamil Nadu government has vehemently opposed. We will be bringing more updates on the SIR and regarding the rain updates from Tamil Nadu.
Thank you, Anaga. And Abdul, I understand you're at Machilipatnam. How is the weather there?
Ready. Well, as you can see in the frame, very gusty winds, the winds are roaring, the sea is also roaring here. As you can see, the temperature here is going very low, and the severity of the cyclone can be sensed every second as it is nearing in few hours. The cyclone is set to hit this coastal region, this particular beach, and then I think that is what we have for today.
Thank you, Abdul. And from moving from cyclonic storm to political storms, Shibi Mole in Kerala, what seems to be the situation?
Well, Pramod, in comparison to states like Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, the cyclone's effect is not that much in Kerala. It's slightly windy with rainfall predicted in the next few hours. So our focus today will mostly be on the SIR that the state government here, the CPM-led LDF government, as well as the Congress-led UDF had opposed vehemently.
Thank you, Shibi. And for the day, thank you, Shibi. For now, for the day, me, Anaga Keshav, Apurva Jayachandran and Abdul are actual storm chasers. And on the place, on the ground where the storm is going to make a landfall, we have Apurva. Over to you, Apurva.
Well, the cyclonic storm Montha is all set to make its landfall here in nearby Kakinada, where I am currently present. Standing at, we are near Uppada Beach here in Kakinada, which is also said to be one of the vulnerable areas where cyclone Montha is expected to make its landfall later in the evening, roughly around 6 p.m. The sea is extremely violent, and fishermen have been advised against going into the sea. Not only that, the Andhra Pradesh government has put in a 24/7 lockdown for public to venture outside, owing to the gushing rains and the winds that is likely to take speed up to 90 kilometers per hour, well into 110 kilometers per hour, as the landfall is expected later on this evening as well. Not only in coastal Andhra Pradesh, from where I am reporting at, be it Kondasima, Kakinada, Visakhapatnam, well into Srikakulam, this entire entire belt of, Andhra Pradesh will be facing the brunt of cyclone Monta as well. In fact, like my colleague Pramod had pointed out, nearby states, including Tamil Nadu and Odisha as well, will be seeing heavy winds and lashing rainfall across the districts as well. In fact, we've also gotten to know from officials from the state government that it is going to be a wild ride towards the evening as well.